Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews with the BackEZ, and I've been doing some digging, no pun intended actually, just filling in some holes in our backyard, and really use this to fill up, you know, the wheelbarrow and stuff, and it makes it so much easier. A lot of times you'll see the winter or the snow shovels that have the handle like this, which is great. So I was using this. You won't really have to bend over that much. This is a relatively short shovel, but if I didn't have this, I'd be here and be digging stuff like that. So by adding the handle, it makes it a lot easier where I was getting the different dirt, putting it in the wheelbarrow and doing it from there. So if it was, a bigger shovel, you can actually put it a little bit higher and you could be almost straight up. I shoveled probably 2 or 3 wheelbarrow full of dirt, did not have any issues, and even when you're at a different level, it makes it easier to move the dirt along instead of just, the different leverage of holding onto the handle. So that's the BackEZ. I know you can pick it up on Amazon, Home Depot. There's probably some other hardware stores where you can pick it up. This was a little bit of a fat handle here, and it almost did not reach, but it did end up going. Comes with your little Allen wrench inside to tighten it down, and you can use it on shovel, rake, a bunch of different products, and it just will make your life a little bit easier, as well as your back from doing yard work. So there you go. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe right here, and we'll see you soon.